In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Epic Games parental control pin step by step so you can protect your account and control purchases, mature content, and other restrictions with confidence. This is a quick but important setup for parents, guardians, or anyone who wants an extra layer of security on their Epic Games account. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the page loads, sign into the Epic Games account that you want to manage. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and hover over your profile icon. When the menu appears, click Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage your profile, security, and parental controls. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a menu with different settings categories. Find and click Parental Controls. If this is your first time setting it up, Epic Games may prompt you to create a PIN. This PIN is the code you'll use to approve restricted actions, so choose something you can remember, but make sure it's also secure and not easy for anyone else to guess. Enter a 6-digit PIN, then confirm it by typing it again exactly the same way. Be careful here, because even one wrong number will stop the PIN from being set correctly. Once the PIN is created, keep it safe and unique. Don't reuse a PIN that you use on other accounts or devices, and avoid sharing it unless absolutely necessary. After that, you can start choosing your restrictions. For example, you can require the PIN for purchases, which helps prevent unauthorized spending on games, add-ons, or in-game content. You can also restrict mature language, which is helpful if you want a safer experience for younger users. Depending on your account options, you may see additional parental control settings you can turn on or customize as well. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the account is set up the way you want it. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Epic Games parental control PIN is now set up and ready to use. From this point on, any protected actions will require that PIN, giving you much better control over the account. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.